from Liston. It's a sensational goal. He's speeding through Halichardan. Most improved team in the Hero Indian Super League, Hyderabad.
देश आज एक महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करने जा रहा है। आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a total nationwide lockdown.
It was always going to be a challenge to be in a bio bubble. We sort of knew that things would be challenging and I wouldn't say difficult, but there would be a lot of protocols.
It was all a bit overwhelming in the beginning. Rules you've never heard of, but they started to make sense with every passing day.
We were trying to get a lot of information from IPL teams. Any information we got, was going to be of great help.
Before the preseason started, we had a call with owners, coaching staff and everything. They explained to us how difficult it will be for us this season for the bio bubble and things.
We made it clear from day one and we were aware of it ourselves, and we made our players and staff aware of it also from day one. We psychologically prepared them.
From quarantines you needed to get used to other precautions you had to take that constantly remind you of the unprecedented times.
I'm sure that was the most difficult part of the season.
We're athletes, and then for us to do nothing, almost nothing, it's for 2 weeks, and then start training where we only have 2 or 3 weeks to get ready for a season. It's actually quite difficult. It takes a lot out of you.
We were answering a lot of questions. Obviously, the players, staff had a lot of queries, and again, we were learning every day, and the league was very supportive as well. And I think it had to do a lot with the preparation.
To spend 14 days in a new country, I didn't know anyone, alone in a room, eating a different kind of food, not getting the proper training, and after when you go out it's very difficult to start the pre-season. We had a short time, so it was not easy, but we can learn from everything in life. So I learned from this.
It was evident right from the beginning that there would be challenges all throughout the trip. But when you see familiar faces, all ready to fight for a common goal, it is bound to make you feel comfortable.
Team, मेरा official staff, coaching staff, या friends, मतलब teammates सब मेरा पास था.
Everyone had to do their job more than what their job is. I think masseurs, they had to sanitize everything. Backroom staff for the equipment, they had to sanitize that, take everyone.
People who you were not familiar with will soon be your companions in your daily routine, as these were going to be the faces you will see for the rest of the trip to the coastal state. So when new faces arrive, like the foreign contingent from Spain did, more than a month before the scheduled start of the season, it could only have a positive effect on everyone involved with the club.
From day one, this group it's an amazing group of players we've got here. Like, I don't think, I know there's not a bad soul in the group. Like, everyone is so close, everyone is looking after each other.
From the first moment, from the first contact we had with them, and all the Indians, they are very respectful, so it's easier to have a relationship with someone who respects you. So it's easier to give respect also, So this you can be sure that's the best I will take from here.
It becomes difficult to do the same thing every day, and people get frustrated and take things out on each other. So it was actually quite amazing to have the group that we have that got along so well and was there for each other on and off the field.
Little did we know the impact this foreign contingent would have on the squad in the coming months.
In the new season, we were very clear in terms of the quality of foreign players we were going to bring in, the attitude of the players were going to be extremely important, and we knew we needed players who could easily adapt to the bubble.
They had the mindset like this is going to be tough, so they came here and they gelled up very quickly.
In what is a big blow for Hyderabad FC, head coach Albert Roca has joined Ronald Koeman at FC Barcelona.
So obviously, Albert Roca's departure came a bit suddenly while we were in the middle of our planning stage and close to the start of the season. But we were lucky to get Manolo as an option, as a good option, very good option.
Appointed as the head coach of Hyderabad FC after the departure of Albert Roca to Barcelona, Manolo Marquez probably knew the responsibility he was carrying on his shoulders.
There are two things in this case. No? One is when I signed here, one of the things was the development of the young players, and the other thing is true that the injuries of foreigner players, they could play more minutes.
He is actually more than qualified, but no one knows how we would adjust in the Indian conditions, and he doesn't know about the players, Indian players. So it was like, no one was confident about how the team is going to play, how we would be getting into the season.
To be all together in the bubble, there are two solutions. No, to have a good atmosphere or not.
The addition of a man manager like Manolo Marquez was really important to keep a close-knit group, get more comfortable with each other.
We were ready for this season and many things changed, coaching staff, management and everything, and we were well prepared for this season.
The experienced gaffer, who's clear with what he wants from this team, made life easier, not just for the players, but even for the coaching and support staff, who were equally important.
One very, very, very important thing for me is that all the people from Hyderabad FC, sports director, media, manager, technical operator, all the people go in the same way, no?
Manolo loves training a youngster, and when he was given a team with so much potential, his plans were quickly taking shape.
Who's the one who can rise above? Take a chance, do it all for love and no regrets. Up ahead there's an open door, and I gotta find what I'm looking for, and I'm on my way.
If you are a coach, you depends totally of the players. If the attitude of the players is good and they want to listen, they want to learn, but not only about the coach, about the players with experience, about the things that maybe you say and finally happens, about these kind of things. I think the more important is their attitude.
And his methods only grew stronger with the help of the experienced and respected Tang Boy Singto. The 46-year-old was the link between the foreign coaches and the Indian players, and his importance cannot be overstated.
Time moves on and the days go by, but the sun don't set on the stars tonight, and I spread my wings.
But equally important was the contribution of club record goal scorer Aridane Santana.
My head's in the clouds. with my feet on the ground, my aim held high, and I'm moving on. My time is now.
A captain in every sense of the word, the Spanish striker is a player who can get the best out of the players around him. A true professional on and off the field, Aridane was a real asset for the club, keeping the group together even through some tough times.
Baby, just watch me fly. Now I have all I need to find the best in me. Well, isn't it time to open my mind and just believe?
The professionalism and the hunger to learn and succeed shown by the likes of Chinglensana Singh, Shouvik Chakrabarti, Ashish Rai, Hitesh Sharma, Mohammad Yasir, Halicharan Nazari and debutant Akash Mishra, to name a few, all gave Manolo the perfect setting to execute his plan.
Isn't it time I open my mind and just believe? Just believe. To make all my dreams come true, to let all the light shine through, so I can be everything I know that I could be.